Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, showing you today this recently arrived and approved used Land Rover Range Rover Sport, here in a D300 Dynamic SE trim with the exterior painted in striking Fuji white solid paintwork. Plenty to enjoy with this vehicle, with key highlights including these lovely looking Pixel LED headlights with signature DRLs, and around the side, optionally upgraded 21-inch style gloss black alloy wheels will contrast beautifully against the paint. In the rear, the story is no different, with these sequential LED taillights giving your Range Rover Sport a distinctive look, and also contrasting decals and badging, wing mirrors, and even a panoramic sunroof are available. For easy access, keyless entry and start, as well as a power operated liftgate, will reveal an absolutely cavernous load area that can be further extended thanks to 40-20-40 folding split seats. Quick glimpse inside will also reveal this ebony leather upholstery with seating for 3, center armrests, and even their own air vents with heated outer rear seats, all underneath the natural light of that fixed panoramic roof. Whilst in the front there are decorative door and dash inserts and upgraded front sport seats that will really hug you in and offer plenty of adjustment thanks to electric memory function. The driver can further look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which is heated, paddle shifts, and an IDD interactive driver display, whilst PV Pro connected services in the center will have plenty on offer. Built-in satellite navigation will ensure you never get lost and can be displayed simultaneously on both screens. Easy to pair Bluetooth telephony is on offer, along with FM and DAB digital radio. But that's not all. Other great features will incorporate both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection, with 3-stage heated front seats to keep you warm during the colder winter months. Other great features for the vehicle will also incorporate numerous functions, and there is also cabin lighting available throughout as well. To help you park, you'll be pleased to know there is also a 3D surround parking camera with a giving wide-angle lens, as well as full surround view as well, helping to guide you even in the tightest of parking bays. Down below, easy rotary dials are helpful in operating the 2-zone climate control with a heated front windscreen on offer, whilst above you'll find easy electric sunshade blind to reveal that stunning sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.